Today I am continuing with second layer, or maybe third, because this does not cover too well. I covered this again and it still has some white spots, which I don't like. So I'll try to cover it again. Then I'll clean this and hopefully make it like this one. Oh well, we'll see how much time I have. Then maybe go on the other side, clean that too, and cover what is already up. It's done. Enough for me for today. I have some more left for this. I keep forgetting to find time to plant those. This needs one more coat in here. Well, I don't have any more. Hopefully tomorrow. I have to think of something for this. This is what's left from the leek, so I will harvest all the others that are left because it will be minus something degrees. There are 3 more cornflowers, but I don't think they will grow anymore. So I have to harvest these ones and these ones. Everything else can just stay as it is. Those are ready. Now the others. Okay, now cleaning the roots. This will be it now. I have to take out those and put these ones in here. It was going to go in the other houses, but I called him and now he's wondering, should he go? Should he come back to me? He looks like a mouse. Will he come or no? I think he sees the other black kitty, that's why he doesn't come. I win. Kitty comes. Come on. Nope. The other black kitty was here, so he's now curious. Where did it go? Will it jump on him from the back? Where is the kitty? Yeah, there was another kitty here. Where did it go? What? Mouse. Kitty mouse, this is not toilet. Excuse me. Oh well, here it goes again. I wet some of the sand and separated it. Now we'll place them in. It's ready! And we have one kitty on the watch. And another kitty from left and right. All the kitties. And they're looking at each other. One kitty runs for food. Finish the edge in there. now it's ready. Officially finished with the ceiling. Maybe today's their lucky day. Kitty's on the watch for foreign kitties. And he's also hungry. Look at the tail. He says, give me food. Where's my food? And where is the cat that I will fight now? It's not here. It took my jacket again. I can't help it. He just looks at me. And then he's happy. He just comes and wants to cuddle. I don't know if I can paint this wall now. It is not fully dry like this one and this one. So it is still wet. Up. A little bit of cuteness in here. This I still haven't addressed. I just cleaned a bit more. And I should remove all of it. But not right now. Like so cute. And you here, Cocoon. Cocoon, cutie cat. Demands fluffy blankets. Kitty cat is ready for work. And I cover this again? One more time. Here we have one shelf. I don't think I can do much more though. I can't do the dirt because it will become moldy. So maybe I'll have to postpone all this for spring. I don't like it, but it's too cold. And my hand's kinda like this knuckle. It's inflamed from too much water. Cold water to be exact. Here we have some onions. And here some garlic. There's more onions in there. All the work stuff forgotten. Some boxes. The freezer. This has to go. We have still this that is not covered. I'm not sure if it can be done now with the cold temperatures again. And it is about to get really cold. Haven't done the top. Still. Where do I take some? There. Fluffy dirt. Yeah. And now that will be it for now. Okay, do we finish this today? Okay, did a second coat to here, but it's too cold. I don't think I will continue with anything soon. We have this that has grown a bit, but oh well. What can you do? For now it will be this. A little bit more today, even more flowers. Cute flowers. These ones look happy. Even the grass is happy. Happy grass. Happy trees. Is this happy tree? Yes, it is. These are still fine. It was -7 UT. here. Are these growing? Maybe they're growing a bit. These, maybe too. It is a bit more whiter. It needs one more layer and a bit more drying. And here, still a few days, I do nothing. Everything is frozen. These are so sad, but also cute. Do we break it? We have some new addition. But I think this stage right now will be it. This will stay for now too, because it has to. Flowers are nicely visible. Wow. There are some things that I haven't done yet, which I can show you the idea. But also, this, I have 7 of those. So, I got the idea. I can stick them all on the wall. You could be one of those buggies. And also I can change the face if you would like. Or maybe I'll just collect them on my desk or in my room.